Top 5 AI tools you need in 2025. If you are not using these AI tools in 2025, you are already behind. From automating your work to creating mind-blowing videos, these tools are changing the game. Let's dive into the top 5 AI tools you need to start using today. Hi everyone, I am Adi and on this channel we cover the latest tech, AI and productivity tools to keep you ahead of the curve. If that sounds good, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. First up, we have got ChatGPT 5. It's more than just a chatbot now. From writing content, coding, summarizing meetings to literally running your daily tasks, it's like having a super smart assistant in your pocket. The voice feature insanely natural and it can see and understand images and files too. Use it for writing emails or scripts, studying or explaining complex topics and create social media content in seconds. At number 2 is Sora by OpenAI. This tool is crazy. Type a prompt and Sora turns it into a high quality video. It's like ChatGPT but for filmmaking, perfect for content creators, educators or just for fun. At number 3 is Gemini by Google. Coming from Google, Gemini is the multitasking AI assistant built into Android, Gmail and Docs. It reads your emails, writes replies, explains data and even understands videos and coding. Best part is that it is integrated into your phone. You don't even need to leave your apps. At number 4 is 11 Labs. 11 Labs is the best AI voice generator out there. You can clone your voice, create ultra-realistic speech and even make multilingual audio from just text. Perfect for YouTubers, podcasters, audiobook creators or anyone who wants studio quality voiceovers in seconds. Convert your blog post into a podcast or make your video narration sound like it came from a pro studio without saying a word. At number 5 is Midjourney version 6. Finally, Midjourney version 6, the king of AI image generation. The visual look real, artistic and stunning. You can now create logos, character art, posters, thumbnails, all just by tapping what you imagine. Use detailed prompts and watch Midjourney turn your words into masterpieces. These tools are not just trends, they are the future of how we work, create and live. So which one are you using already or excited to try next? Drop your favorite in the comments, smash that like button if you found something useful and don't forget to subscribe for more tech shortcuts every week. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.